Hi there. Yeah, my name is Simon. I live right in the centre of London. And I came across the Royal Borough of Kensington and the building control search. And I looked up this Grenfell Tower, Grenfell Road, London, W11. Oneth. I have no idea what that means. But this building was set for demolition Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2014. So I was doing a little more searching to see when they decided to pull the plug on this thing. But if you put a demolition in on a building, there are no tenants in it. Period. That's it. There's no tenants in that building. At all. At all. At all. So I'm looking up various other things related to this building. We can go in and make a donation. I'm trying to figure out who the hell we're making a donation to. Help people in need. What people? If the building was set for demolition, how in the fuck could anybody be living in that building? Not one person that was living in that building. Period. Period. Not even somebody on the period was living in that building. Stupid. So, Grenfell Tower latest. Let's look it up. Ew. Come on, open up, butt plug. Jesus Christ. Council is helping those affected. See, it doesn't say residents. It doesn't say residents. Oh, here it is. All residents of Grenfell Tower who have requested help have been placed in hotels. Okay, I'm still having a hard time believing that anybody was living there. They're lying through their teeth. Here in one thing, they're talking about it being demoed for demolition. And now they're talking about helping people. Really? If it was set for demolition, there was nobody living in there. Hello? There was nobody. Nobody. Terrible day for Kensington and Chelsea. We're doing all we can to support the victims and their families. At present, our focus be on supporting the rescue and relief operation. Rescue? You still got to rescue people? Oh, well, that was that day. All right. Well, it's been a week since this all went down. You know, I don't know. I still say there's nobody in there. Anyway, here's some weird shit going on with yeah. A lot of people hate this video, me calling it a false flag, but check it out. Look at it. Pinned. I nearly pissed my pants. All right. But check it out. I go to comments. He's in fucking spam, yet I pinned it like days ago. 5 days ago. And here his comment is sitting in freaking spam. You know, YouTube is so bizarre. Look at all this. Look at all this shit. And all these I've read in the regular page. None of them. Not one of them. See? And it doesn't even give me the option to put it back. Even though it's pinned. So you can go like this. You can go like this. Bam. Bam. You know. Weird. Retaliation. Yeah, this one I read 5 days ago. This is one of the first ones that was put up. So bizarre. Anyway, YouTube, you're so fucking weird. Fucking wacky. So, were there people in there? Nah, it can't be. If the thing was scheduled for demolition and they were going to demolish it, they would have told the people, right? Huh? Right? You got to vacate if there was people in there. But I'm still finding it hard to believe that there was anybody in that building. Anyway, I'm getting long-winded on this, and I'm ridiculous sometimes. All right, so there you have it. Grenfell Tower. Yeah, I'm losing it. I was trying to do my Michael Caine. That's right, my Michael Caine. Yeah, you might have saw me on Batman. Anyway, you know Michael Caine is the Geico Gecko. Look up the Geico Gecko. It's the same exact voice. Anyway, later.